You are probably wondering why you have not been able to make a consistent $10,000 a month as a freelancer on Upwork. And you get to see Joe Schmo and Blow Ho make buku amounts of money knowing that your skill set is far above theirs. Okay, I am going to give you a step-by-step guide in this video in how to hit a consistent $10,000 a month. Let's get right into it. Okay, who am I? Who cares? Just know that I make a consistent $10,000 a month on Upwork, okay? But now, all seriousness, my name is Cameron, and it took me a little while to get here. You know, I obviously made my fair share of mistakes. This is the reason why I'm actually able to make this video and then explain to you how to not make those same mistakes. And it's really just a simple understanding of daily habits that it takes to really get to $10,000 a month, okay? A lot of times when you reach that first threshold or that first freelancer threshold of that $10,000 a month, it's mostly just brute force, okay? It's mostly due to the fact that you're just not fucking doing enough, all right? So let's go ahead and get right into it. The foundation, volume, always wins. Volume, volume, volume. You need to be putting in a minimal of 10 proposals every day. I said minimal. That means that's the least. You can't go any less. You can't do 9. You can't do 8. You have to do 10. And you have to do 10 proposals every day for 90 days straight. I know that sounds like a long fucking time, but relative to your fucking life, 90 days is not long at all, okay? Pull your pants up, okay? If you're a female, pull your skirt up, all due respect. But, you know, for my guy freelancers, pull your pants up, okay? Put your big boy drawers on and put in the 10 proposals every fucking day, okay? You do nothing. Literally, when you wake up, I damn near don't even want you to brush your teeth. You're probably not brushing your teeth anyways. When you wake up in the morning time, get on Upwork. Save you jobs. You want to know what I do? I literally get on Upwork and I save jobs. Let me show you what I do. I can show you exactly what I do. Okay. So I literally get on Upwork and I go to most recent because I like to apply to the jobs that are literally just recently posted. Okay. And then I literally like the jobs that I know I could seriously crush. Okay. And then I go brush my teeth. I come back and I bang them out. Okay. That is what I recommend you do. Okay. I'm not going to make this like fucking rocket science. Let's keep going here. Systemize your approach. Block 90 minutes daily for activities. Let's keep going. Write human, not robotic. This, I can't tell you enough how many times employers have just literally given me a job or a gig just because they believed that my proposal was human generated. But to be completely honest with you, they probably know it was generated by AI, but the way that I use AI is really fucking good. If you're using AI in the most general way ever, please save yourself the connects and just get off of the platform, because no one wants to read those AI generated responses, and employers really look at that as if you really just don't give a damn. Okay, so if you are so fucking lazy into not wanting to put in a little bit of extra effort to humanize your proposals, then you're not going to make the money in what you're looking to make. It's a reason why a lot of us like to do like the whole external thing, like blame everything else except for us. And that is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, it's the reason why someone else is making the money that you want to make and you're not making it. Okay, it mostly has to do with your output. Okay, you're not doing a fucking enough. You're not putting in enough proposals. You're not humanizing your damn proposals at all, or your cover letters. This shit sounds absolutely ridiculous. If I were to show you, because I get on Upwork and I actually hire on Upwork as well. If I get on Upwork and really show you the type of proposals that I get from these people, it's like, bro, did you really think I was gonna like accept that? Like, as a job, as an employer, as a business owner, put yourself in their shoes. If you are thinking about spending money on talent, acquiring talent in hopes that it will further or increase your business, do you think your proposal looks like that type of person or that type of employee? Probably not. Okay. So I definitely recommend that you obviously humanize your proposals. And I have a proposal generator just like almost anybody else on the internet. You can just go to YouTube and type up proposal, Upwork proposal generator, and damn near find, some pretty decent ones. But use that. Humanize your responses as much as possible, bro. Like, do not use AI because it's just don't. Okay, let me rephrase that. It's not do not use AI because I use AI for everything. Do not use AI like a dickhead. Like, bro, just be smart. Fuck. Let's keep going. Play the long game. Embrace entry level work. Let me tell you, when I was first starting out on Upwork, I thought that I was hot shit. So I didn't want to accept the jobs, especially being American. I didn't want to accept the jobs for $50, $150, $200. I was like, bro, why? No, I can't. I can't pay my bills with that shit. But lo and behold, we have to understand that most employers, I'm gonna say about 98% of the people that are putting jobs up on Upwork are literally there for the cheapest fucking talent. Okay, they're looking for the cheapest good talent. I know that's like an oxymoron, but that's what they're there for. They're trying to get this done for the most cheapest price ever. And if you put yourself in a position where you feel as if you are too good to apply for a job, you know that you have now like decreased your chances of ever hitting $10,000 a month. Okay, because those jobs that come around that are 5,000, 4,000, for the budget, they're not going to pick you. Number one, you don't have enough experience on Upwork. Like, how many jobs have you done? How many reviews do you have? It's a lot more important for you to do the shit jobs, kill them, absolutely crush them, and get the review. Okay, the amount of money that you made is not as important as the review that you'll receive from absolutely crushing the job. Okay, so in the beginning, I recommend that you just take everything. Literally, take everything. Take everything. Another thing, get good at 3 fucking softwares. Okay, get good at one CRM, get good at one no code, get good at one like AI voice. Get good at copywriting. Period. You master those skills right there, you are going to be an absolute monster when it comes to freelancing. Okay, because then you can now, every time someone posts a job within this CRM or something like that, you know that you can absolutely crush it. You know that, okay, this is another thing that when I was on my way to the top, I'm still at the fucking bottom compared to who I really compare myself to. But on my way there to where I am now, it would take me a considerable amount of time to like finish a job. Okay. So let's say like I'm taking a job for like $200, $250. Like it may take me like 2 or 3 days to do it. Okay. So I used to think like, damn, I'm not making no money. Like this not no money. Like it's taking me too much time to actually do the job. But the thing is, I was learning so much in those jobs that now whenever I get a job, I literally can skim a job detail and pretty much know like if or how long it'll take me to do this. Okay. And considering that most jobs now $200, $500, if I can kill a job in one day and make $500 that day in one job, because I've done so many of the 50s, 150s and stuff like that, where I've increased my skill set so much that I can really crush jobs easily, then you just do the math of that. So now instead of making $50 a day or $100 a day, now I'm making $500, $1,500 a day. Okay, that's just by crushing a bunch of $500 projects in one day. Okay. Another thing, sorry to continue hitting you with more fucking sauce, but get your ass up in the morning time, please. Get up. Okay, I understand you're a freelancer and you want this lifestyle and it's really cool and it's really awesome to be able to travel and do whatever you want to do and kind of make all your money from your computer, but it's still a business. Treat your freelance career like a business, not a job. Let's continue. The secret weapons: over deliver and video. Oh my goodness. This is what I mean by start humanizing your proposals and your responses, because when you use AI only, you'll miss certain things within applications. Okay. One of the biggest things that I say in every application that I put out or job that I put out when I'm hiring is, hey, you have to send a loom. If you do not send a loom, your video or your application will not be considered. Like, it's simple as that. I need to know that I can communicate with you. I need to know that you understand exactly what I'm saying and can deliver exactly what I'm saying. Okay. Another big thing is a lot of foreigners I know are afraid to really get in front of that camera because they believe that their accent's heavy or whatever it is. Like, you have to increase your skill set then. And in that way, Americans in other countries may have an advantage over you, but you have an advantage over us in your cost of labor. So you can only imagine that if you are from another country, especially India or somewhere like that, and because your cost of labor is so low, but if you excel and you're absolutely like a monster, bro, you will kill it in freelancing. You will absolutely kill it, because at the end of the day, if someone can find good work, like really good work, like some work that I would do, not to toot my own horn, but for a fraction of the cost that I charge, they're gonna do it. That makes business sense, and that's what that's what everyone is on Upwork posting jobs for, because they are business owners. Okay, so where, like I said, my foreigners with the heavy accents, you still need to do videos, okay? Because that's the only way that you're gonna get good or better with communicating, okay? Is getting in front of the camera and doing it and doing it and doing it well. Hey, doing it and doing it and doing it well. Probably don't know that. Look it up. Go above and beyond. Every single job that you do, literally do more. Give consulting or strategic insight. Well, Cameron, I can't give consulting, or I haven't done enough. Do more. Do more. I I know this may sound redundant, okay, or it may sound da dun da dun, but just do more. Whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is you want to be great in, you have to do a lot of it. I wake up at 4:30 every morning. I'm on my computer by about 5, maybe 5:10 at the latest, doing the same thing I did yesterday. Is it boring as hell? You better fucking believe it. Super boring. And I still run into times where I don't even know what the fuck to do. I'm just like, damn, I never ran into this problem before. And now I get excited. I used to get mad when I used to like run into troubleshooting issues where I just couldn't, like, damn it, chat GPT or whatever, you're not fucking doing what I tell you to do, or this automation isn't doing what I tell it to do. It's keep erroring out. Now when I get an error, I get excited because I just don't. It's very rare where I don't know what to do anymore. And that only came from me doing this shit for so long now. And I haven't even been, that's another thing. I just got out of prison a few years ago. So I haven't been doing it like a super long time at all. I just been doing it consistently a lot longer than a lot of people. Where I get up on a daily basis and I'm putting in 10 to 14 hours every day consistently. I don't care if it's my birthday. I don't care if it's my mom's birthday. I don't care if it's my daughter's birthday. 10 to 14 hours consistently every day. And I'm having fun doing it. Okay, so continuing where I left off. Your action plan. Your apply volume strategy. You need to commit to doing 10 proposals every day. That is a minimal amount that you can do. Okay. Get your lazy fat ass up and put in 10 proposals. A lot of fucking freelancers. Let me tell you something. You're making your money from a damn computer. I see a dude outside every day in the Florida hot heat mowing grass. That is hard work. You getting in front of a camera and putting in a proposal from a job that can possibly potentially give you thousands of dollars is not fucking hard work. Do 10 of those every day and reach the goal of $10,000 a month. Okay. Shut up, get up, and fucking do it. All right, please. Write human proposals. This is absolutely essential. Okay, this is also a non-negotiable when it comes to reaching that $10,000 a month. Okay, you have to write human proposals. Embrace entry level jobs. Another non-negotiable. Stop scurrying around the $50, $100, $150 jobs. Now, don't get me wrong. If someone is asking for like a complete CRM build out for $50, don't fucking do that shit. Okay. Because we have to also respect like freelancers' time. Okay. I hate it when people get on there and they're just like, yeah, $50 budget for an AI voice agent that can integrate with my CRM. It can also do this. It can also like drive my car. It can also fuck my wife. Like, it's just like, bro, what are you talking about? Why would you even expect someone to do that for $50? That's neither here nor there. That's for another video. Okay, so most people won't do even one of those three things consistently. If you commit to all three of those, plus over delivering and using a Loom video for each and every one of your Upwork proposals, I promise you, in 90 days, you will be at $10,000 a month. I guarantee you that. If you need help, okay, doing this, I have a community. The link is in the description below. I do one-on-one coaching. I give you the daily tasks that are needed. A little bit more than this, obviously, but you get me one-on-one every day until you reach the goal in which, or the financial freedom goal in which you're trying to reach. If that sounds like something that will interest you, like I said, the link is in the description. I really wish that you guys up your fucking Upwork or increase. I'd like to say up, but I don't want to say up your Upwork, but fuck it. Up your Upwork game, okay? Because if we as a collective of freelancers up our game, then we can charge more. Please understand that, okay? If as a collective, when an employer comes to Upwork and they're just like, damn, who do I choose? And they're trying to get the cheapest talent, we can still be like, we can charge more because this is so professional. It's good. It's great work. Everything is like pristine. That's all I got for you guys today, man. I'll see you on the next one.